First of all, welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. So friends, as far as we are concerned, in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful floral handmade silk ribbon embroidery design ideas. These design ideas are very creative, very unique, and they represent a 3D view of the final hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery hoop art. So friends, those persons who know how to do embroidery using silk ribbon, this video is entirely for them. Or those persons who are professionals and they have a number of massive clients and they are looking for very beautiful and unique classy design ideas of silk ribbon to try in 2020 and 2021, then this video collection is entirely for them. Very beautiful floral bunches, floral fans, real life events like garden embroidery, and a very beautiful and imaginary vision of heaven, and much more. They can get creative ideas, and especially these ideas could be used for hoop art that is very famous, and into moving these you can earn a handsome amount of money, because hoop art is a very common and trending idea that is usually used for very large houses and bungalows to decorate their walls. And by showing your clients or your friends and family these patterns, you can simply get a number of praises and orders too at the same time. So friends, do try these. And those persons who are not professionals and they don't know how to use silk ribbons for embroidery, then this is not a big problem for them. They can only use their design patterns of choice by saving this video or taking screenshots of their favorite designs and go to a nearby professional and show them. They will make it for you, and you can use these patterns not only for hoop art but for a variety of reasons. That is, you can make these embroidery patterns for your home decor, like you can make it on very beautifully cushion covers, bed sheets, pillows, and not only this, that is, bath towels could be decorated by using these patterns, because silk ribbon embroidery is very soft, fluffy, and lightweight, and at the same time it gives a very beautiful view to the user and the presenter. So friends, I hope you like the designs, and if you want to get very new, latest, and classy fashion ideas, hand art ideas, then don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends and family, so they could also get very stylish and amazing ideas related to women fashion. And you can get a very amazing and wide range of hand art like hand embroidery, hand fabric paint, hand knitted crochet stuff, and much more. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned with us, keep watching our content, keep supporting us like this. We will soon be back with you along with some new videos and ideas. Up till then, take care.